Hello everybody. Me and my mom are on a job and my dad is on another job. And we are going to be doing a light fixture in the bathroom, a vanity light. And we're going to see what's going on there.
Well, we had a phone call and our tenant said that this light is not, it works on and off. Right now, obviously it's working, but we're going to take a look at this fixture. Let's see. Stand up here. Oh, I feel like this one's screw on the side.
Alright. I'll take it. Alright, let's turn it. We can turn it off, take a bulb out before they get too hot.
I think a little bit light will work.
Oh, don't worry, I got you.
It looks in bad shape. Probably the valve is just giving up.
Yeah.
Like you say, it goes on and off, and we've been replacing this bulb. You can see this one's not so bad. Like the other one. Okay. It's one of the big knockers there. Big valves.
Let's see. So, okay, so good thing right there, where the wire nuts are,
Yeah,
there's gonna be a box right there.
That's
because
probably
this
the
is-
center, so we can actually.
That'll be perfect.
It would be perfect. That's correct.
Alright,
Otherwise,
let's go grab our tools.
Let's go grab the tools. We're gonna remove this light fixture. And the switch, of course, is off, right?
I don't know.
Yeah, it is off.
You wanna do it? Wait, here. Here, Allie.
Okay.
We don't know.
Yeah, we wanna make sure.
I don't wanna.
I don't wanna dance today. It's Grandpa's birthday, by the way.
I don't know. Wire's dead.
Yeah. Okay.
We good?
Okay, we don't dance today. There you go. I'm gonna disconnect this.
Don't let the fixture drop. If you can, let me know.
I get it.
Got the gun?
Oh, yes. I get that screw. There you go.
I got the
And
fixture.
there she goes.
Switch.
You just drop a screw in. Okay.
I'm gonna take this outside. So there's no dust go everywhere. I'm going straight outside.
So we got all our wires in here. And the box is a little bit off, but we can center it up the other one. It's gonna be just fine. It's gonna need a little bit of patch, not so bad. And paint it. It's gonna look good. And this is gonna be the replacement to the one light fixture that we remove. Oh, this is with the LED light built in.
Nice.
Yes. I'll take the power, thank you. And that's our plate right here.
What are you doing?
I'm measuring the wall. We have 42, half of that 21, so we're gonna go right here. That's our middle right there. So now what I'm gonna do is, the box is a little bit too much to the right side, so we're gonna try to center this box and put it, that's my middle right there.
Where's your middle?
Right there. See that little dot in the middle?
Yeah.
That's my middle right there.
Okay. Does a hole line up for the screw?
What's that?
Does a screw line up for a hole? I mean, you know
No,
what I mean.
but I think I can drill a hole.
Okay.
To get at least one side of the box.
Yeah.
And
And
see
then
the
we can
little
notch
screw
that metal.
bolts right here in the box?
We can notch that metal though.
And put a plug on the other side.
Yeah.
So. Up and down, I think I need to go down a little bit, right there.
Yeah.
Right there is good. Okay. A little bit down in the middle. That looks, actually that looks good. Yeah.
All right, too much sharpening.
Yeah. Okay. Top and bottom. Okay. Now we need to make sure we got this hole. As I said, mark it. It's gonna be like right there.
Okay, let's go drill that out so we can put a screw in it.
On this one right here, we have these plugs. We're not gonna need those, so we're gonna remove those and patch the holes. The light fixture that we bought, this is a little bit smaller. So we need to put those plugs in, patch the holes, and paint it. I'm gonna cover this area so it looks good that we get rid of this shadow. And our light, it's gonna be center. This box is off, as you can see. So we're gonna try to put it right in here. That's our middle, right there. Now I put the plugs, the yellow plugs that you saw earlier. So we have those holes. I put passion paint on this side. Like I mentioned before, we're gonna have to paint this little section. So we make sure we cover those holes before we paint. Okay. So that's ready for the paint.
Do you want a ladder?
Right here. If anyone that to turn on me, I locked it in place.
Okay.
That's a little shaving, so I kind of clean it up. Perfect.
Let's see how it looks. No, I mean, let's just go see how it looks. Push the plate flush to the wall, Ali?
And just want to make sure I'm not brushing wires.
No, just push the plate, just see if it lines up.
Yeah.
Alright, then we're good. Alright,
It's a little bit, well,
yeah, sink it. That's good.
alright. And we're gonna go.
Why do you have
Let me see, on this side. That's what we want.
Alright, cool.
That's the one we want.
Want a plug?
Yeah, I need a plug.
Do you want a bit first to make it bigger for the plug?
No, this is good right here.
Is that the skinny end?
That's the skinny end.
I don't know if it'll work for this one.
Let me see.
Here you go.
Let me try that. There it is.
It was me and Dad. Good.
So we got our one screw on the side of the
Keep
box.
those wires apart. Act like they're hot.
We had the one, the screw on the box, and we got one of those plugs on this side and good level. There,
Alright.
perfect. What we're gonna do is just paint the wall, let it dry, and I thought I was gonna have to plaster a little bit because usually you have this, what you see here ends up all the way across. On this one, we got lucky because it's only the little holes where they have the plugs, but we pull them out and we patch it. Now we can paint it. And over here where the light fixture is gonna go, it's gonna cover this and that, and everything's gonna look good.
So we're gonna go grab some.
Let's go grab some paint and start painting.
Alright.
Just let it dry a little bit with a light.
Cool.
That's good.
Here we go.
Now we're gonna get ready to put this in place.
Let me grab some screws. Okay. You want to hold light fixture for you?
Okay. There it is.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Good,
look at
good.
it.
No, I believe you, Mom.
It's not going anywhere.
Let's now focus on the
We got my,
rule of thumb is for your ground is first to make up, last to break up. There you go.
come on, we got this.
Careful with wet paint.
Mm-hmm.
Sure you know.
There it is, all the way. And then that's my ground, and this is my
Hot.
hot. There you go. And then hold it. Go ahead, turn the switch on.
Wait.
There, the switch.
Yeah, that's weird. I have a gray wire for a black wire.
That's kind of bluish. There it
We're
is.
good.
Okay.
All
We're
right,
good to go.
Tuck those wires in nice. There we go, so we don't pinch it. Let me see. Good job.
We got the box, and then we have all this room in here. And this is loaded.
Let's see the room. Alec, let's see the room and the plate.
Oh, there we go. How much? That's how much we have.
We're good.
And this is LED light, which is, I mean, no different than this, but see those? They just lay there. So yeah, we're
And
gonna
it
be
comes
good.
with that, so. Watch that black wire underneath. It's going down a little bit. Yeah, there you go. Where's your screwdriver?
The screws are on the floor.
No, screwdriver.
In my pocket.
Okay. These are Phillips. Switch the tip. Okay, I got the screws. So here's just take them as you need them.
I need a smaller screwdriver, Vinny. There's one in my pocket.
The other side.
No, I mean the handle's on my way.
Okay.
Oh, just give me the drill gun.
It's fine. Which one is it?
This one's a screwdriver. It's like in my inside pocket.
Talking about this one?
Yes.
All right.
That'll do the trick.
You say so. I'd put a Phillips head.
What's that?
Is that flathead working?
It is.
Oh, nice.
That's what I'm talking about. See? There it
you go.
is.
You know what you're talking about.
Hey. Not only that, it's magnetic too.
Oh, did Dad get that for you?
Yeah, get that for me.
We use it for ceiling fans.
I like all those gifts, you know, like.
I got it.
Me
your
too.
foot.
Me too.
All right.
That was faster than the screw.
All right.
I need to cover the drain.
Go ahead.
I think it's good now. Okay. Oh, sorry.
Just put your butt on my face.
Oh. Guess what? It's got flat and it's got Phillips.
That's what I told you. Oh my god, what the flathead works. Jeez Louise.
Okay, I'm gonna do this because I need to do the bottom now.
There you go.
There you go. One more. Okay, I need to level that way I can adjust my screws.
There you go.
Okay, so
Hold on, let's see this. There you go. And it looks good.
how about that?